Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel an order on the Depop mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Depop app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, go to the sold tab. This is where all the orders you have sold are listed. Scroll through the list and find the order you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the full order details. Now here is the important part. Depop doesn't have a one-click cancel button, so to cancel you need to message the buyer. Tap the message button and politely explain that you are canceling the order. Maybe the item is damaged, lost or no longer available. After you have messaged the buyer, go back to the order screen and tap the option that says refund. Follow the steps to issue a full refund through PayPal. Once that's done, the order will be automatically marked as cancelled. And that's it. That's how you cancel an order on the Depop mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.